started walking now. As Max is tired. Look at him, he's gassing out. So he can run about 1.5 kilometer. Yeah, and after that he will just slowly slowing down, and then that's the time that we're gonna go for a walk. Yes, fair enough, because Rottweilers are not bred for, long distance running. They can only run for short distance, but they can sure do like long walks, hike. It's like a slow pace, but their endurance is quite low. So yeah, well, he's happy. 30 minutes walks every day. Look at that, it's really bad weather this week. Really muddy. So try to walk him at least once a day. If get more time twice a day, because otherwise if he goes to our garden, it's just really muddy. So at least here we're walking on some concrete, so